Tonto Street. It hasn't always been this noisy.
This is perhaps one of Phoenix's best, grandest old neighborhoods. It's an area that a lot of people have forgotten about, sadly.
The City of Phoenix and Habitat for Humanity paired up, and volunteers rolled in.
We're just delighted to see this Central City South project finally kick off.
Down this way.
And the 2 homes that are being built behind me are the first of 30 that are being constructed in the Phoenix Central City South neighborhood.
Sledgehammer!
Of course, we want homeownership opportunities in and near downtown, and these are some of the few.
Location? Check. Community? Check. And love?
Welcome to this wonderful day.
You betcha. During their making, each new home has a house signing ceremony with family, volunteers, and special guests. One of those guests was Mayor Kate Gallego.
We are committed to being a city where everyone can live and thrive.
But a project of this mass cannot be lifted alone.
It really takes a family. You know, it does take a family, and I think when people look at this project, they're going to see what an amazing partnership it really is.
So for now, please excuse the noise on Tonto Street, because these hammers are making miracles. For Phoenix TV, I'm Caitlin Keenahan.